In Canada, women in overalls are a familiar sight. Replacing men in war industries, these wives and sisters of soldiers overseas are playing an increasingly important role in helping the United Nations win the war. Tossing red-hot rivets with all the skill of veterans, these girls are helping Canada turn out 10,000-ton victory ships. Electrical workers in their white uniforms or tinsmiths covering a ship's ventilator. They know their jobs. The spirit of the Canadian woman is, you sail 'em, we'll build 'em. In the United States, the Women's Army is taking over more operations jobs to relieve men for combat duty. Here at an Air Force replacement base, the WACs, as they're called, serve as ground crews, service motors, repair ships. Today, women of the United Nations are backing the attack, serving wherever they're needed.